Acid rain becomes acidic in two main ways: from burning fossil fuels in factories and burning fossil fuels in cars. Sulfuric acid arises from burning coal in factories mainly, and nitric acid is a common byproduct in the combustion of an engine in cars. When coal is burnt, the carbon and sulfur found in it react with the air and form carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. In the presence of sunlight, sulfur dioxide reacts with more oxygen in the air to form sulfur trioxide. This further dissolves in the rainwater to form sulfuric acid. Nitric acid is produced from nitrogen oxide being released from exhaust pipes inside cars that further reacts with oxygen in the air and is dissolved in the rainwater to produce nitric acid. Acid rain is harmful for vegetation because it halts the enzymes found in vegetation because they are unable to function in an acidic environment. And acid also breaks down metals found in soil that take the place of essential metals that plants need. Acidic rain can be up to 1,000 times more acidic than normal rain, with a pH from a normal pH of 6 found in normal rain to a pH of 3 in acid rain. Acid rain can also be found in different types of weather, such as fog or even snow. It's important to note the rain is naturally slightly acidic with a pH of 6. This is due to rain dissolving carbon dioxide in the air, creating carbonic acid. This means that acid rain with a pH of 6 is natural, but 1,000 times more acidic with a pH of 3, acidic rain is anthropogenic. Acid rain demonstrates Chapter 14, Section 1, because of its strength being 1,000 times more acidic than natural rain, and how its acidic property affects vegetation and the environment. In order to reduce acidic rain and to conserve our environment, we need to reduce emissions from cars and from the burning of fossil fuels. In order to do this, we need to use more renewable sources of energy, such as windmills or even wave technologies being created to create energy for society. All of these alternatives don't have any emissions, so not that will not give the ability for acid rain to create, and it will conserve our environment.